Hey guys, this is Joel Webb with Lifetime Commercial Roofing. Today is our Tech Tuesday and we are talking about commercial maintenance programs. Cody is going to be on top of the Hills Church over in North Richland Hills. It's a very large TPO roof and he's going to be probing some seams and looking at some curves and talking to you guys about the importance of maintenance contracts and why it is so helpful to commercial companies to not only keep track of problematic areas of their roof, but also make sure that they don't have those problematic leaks get into their buildings. So I hope you enjoy. Check it out.
Hey, good morning. This is Cody with Lifetime Commercial Roofing, and we are here on top of the Hills Church in North Richland Hills, Texas. We're here to do a yearly maintenance inspection. We have a maintenance contract with this church to inspect and maintain their roofs, and today we're going to show you how that's done. So this is a probe for probing TPO roofing seams. This little hook here goes down, and we drag it along the seam like this to find any voids that may be present in the seam. One part of our maintenance program consists of probing every seam over the entire roof. So as you can see, this is a pretty large roof area, and we're going to probe every single one of these seams before this report is put together. Okay, one area of major concern is around pipe flashings and penetrations. So we take our probe and we press it in around like this, drag it around the seam to see if there's any voids. This one is good, so I don't have to do anything. We want to check the caulking around the band clamp, make sure that there's no voids for water to get in around that pipe. So a couple of videos back we talked about raising the curb height on a TPO roof, and this is the proper height of a curb. And the reason we're so worried about that is because the water blows with wind and it washes up under these curbs, and if they're low to the deck, it'll just wash that water right in underneath of it. And so a key component of these curbs are these pre-molded TPO corners. They weld down over the flashing base to provide a watertight seal around these corners. And this is very often where a leak will present itself if the welds are not tight. So as you can see, these welds are nice and tight, and we don't have any leaks on this one. So another aspect of our maintenance program is checking and cleaning the drain bowls. So this is a rooftop drain. These lids spin off like this, and you can see we get little pieces of debris caught in it, builds up some dirt around here. But our main concern is to make sure that the drain flows clearly. If this is plugged up, we'll bring a drain snake and we'll run it through here to unclog it and make sure that they flow properly. Because if these drains back up on the roof, it holds a lot of weight and it could potentially collapse the roof if your drains are all plugged up. Okay, so another common issue with flat roofs is the collection of debris and trash on the roofs. Usually collects in corners like right here. You can see the wind has blown little TPO scraps and dirt and debris over here. This is a very minor occurrence, but a lot of roofs have major trash collection in the corners. So we will bag that up and get it off the roof during our maintenance inspection. I want to give a quick shout out to the CEC, the Community Enrichment Center. You can see their building right over there. This is part of the overall maintenance program we do, and they're one of our favorite charities as well as one of our customers. So support them, love them, and pray for them. Thanks.